Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make the best fattoush salad dressing. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient we will need is olive oil. We need 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Second thing we will need is lemon juice, about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Also, we will need garlic minced. I have 1 garlic minced in here. And the main ingredient for this dressing is sumac. You can find it at Middle Eastern stores or Kroger, or I think Maya is carrying it now. You will need about 1 teaspoon of sumac. The taste of it is like sour. Another ingredient that you will need is pomegranate molasses. You will need 4 tablespoons. And also you will need 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now let's mix all the ingredients together. And now we do have fattoush salad dressing ready. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can watch tomorrow's video, which will be fattoush salad recipe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.